Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're going to tackle an interesting problem that arises in Rust code. If you've ever been puzzled by seemingly redundant lines of code in your projects, this is for you. The problem we're diving into involves a particular line in a Rust function that may appear unnecessary at first glance. Let's dig in and unravel this coding mystery together. The solution to the conundrum lies in understanding the purpose of the map_error method in Rust. This method is typically used to transform the error value in a result type. In the context of the code snippet we're examining, map_error is replacing the error value with essentially discarding it. While it may seem redundant given the subsequent unwrap call, this approach ensures that any debug information associated with the error value is not displayed in case of a failure. This can be particularly useful for optimizing the compiled program and managing error handling more effectively. In summary, the seemingly superfluous map_error line in the code snippet serves a purpose beyond what meets the eye. By strategically replacing the error value with it helps streamline error handling and optimize the program's debug output. And with that, we've unraveled a mystery behind this puzzling line of code. If you found this insight helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!